If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you have additional brush sets you purchased from a third party source or exported from another instance of Photoshop, you can import them into the Brush Preset Picker panel. To import brushes in Photoshop, click the Options button in the upper right corner of the Brush Preset Picker panel. Then select the Import Brushes command from the drop down menu that appears to open a Load dialog box. Use the Load dialog box to navigate into the folder that contains the brush set to import, which has an ABR file extension, and select it by clicking its icon. Then click the Load button in the Load dialog box to load the selected brush set into the Brush Preset Picker panel. The brushes are appended to the bottom of the listing of brushes in the Brush Preset Picker panel. You can then select from the brushes within the imported brush set as usual. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.